Alright. Did I fix the blur? Yes, I did. How about that? Hey, alright. Usually it takes like 12 times. Alright, anyway, welcome to part 4? part something of the 1st of July fireworks from Beaconfield, as seen over here in, like, kind of sort of, you know, depending on your point of view, beautiful Turner's Falls, Massachusetts. Food City, and the rest of poo-poo is over here. You folks have seen it all before, at least if you pay attention to my channel, you have. And I'm trying not to have shaky vision. Ooh. You can hear the cop radios over here. Yeah, by the way, while you guys are over there doing this, would you mind stopping over at the Cumbies to get us some coffee? This thing, I think, started like a little bit before 9 o'clock, or before 10, I think. So I have no idea how long it lasts. Usually like 15-20 minutes. Less, depending on how much money Greenfield decided to pay. Or more, depending, again, on how much money they decided to pay. I don't even know really who's behind this. I think it's Chamber of Commerce. I don't even know. Some entity. Whoever it is, you know. Ooh, that was kind of pretty. All right, I'm gonna try to zoom a little bit more. Let's see. We're gonna zoom. There we go. Well, that's a little too much. Hang on. Wow. All right. Some shaky vision. Some camera that decided to stop in the middle of everything vision. I don't know why my phone's doing that. I apologize. It has nothing to do with me. Except technology loves me just that much. Oops. All right, trying to sit back here and relax. This chair I'm in is not the most comfy. But, oh well. Ow, hang on. Ugh. There we go. That's a little bit better. All right, part 5 coming.